Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw a cute reindeer. So let's get started. To draw this cute reindeer, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, say about this much, and draw another circle. So I'm drawing my eyes a little bit bigger, just so that I can make them draw so cute eyes. So now that I have these two circles in, I'm going to come inside and draw two more circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes, say about right here, and we're going to draw a curve for the nose, round off the sides, and connect in the center. And I'm just going to come in here and put in a highlight and shade it all in. But of course, if you want to make this Rudolph, you would just make this nose much bigger and make it red. Okay, so now that nose in, I'm going to come straight down with a line right about here, and then we're going to curve out on both sides for the mouth and cap it off. There. And then before I forget, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye, and then I'm going to very lightly draw an oval around the nose and mouth. So right about right here's my center, and I'm going to just go ahead and draw this oval. I just don't want this black line to be too strong, so I'm trying my best here to make it as light as possible. Just want this oval so that when I color it, this part can be white. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, we can go ahead and draw the head. So I'm going to come to the center of my eye and come out, say about this much. Same thing on the other side, and we're going to draw my usual mochi shape head. So let's go up, and I'm just going to go around the eye, about there, and then down. Just go around the eye to draw a curve. Maybe this is a little bit easier. So we have this curve around the eye. Then I'm just going to bring this down more. And I'm going to come down to say my center. So say about right here. Just kind of imagining how low I want the head shape to be. And connect everything there. And then we're going to go up and go nice and high, so thinner towards the top to say about right there, and then bring it down. There, so kind of this mochi shape, but a little bit taller, I guess. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and make it look like a reindeer, right? So let's come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw in some ears. Curve, round off the tip, and then bring it in. And then just draw a curve right here for the inside. So same thing on the other side. So right here, and I'm just going to drag this point across as well. And once again, the inside, and then of course the antlers. So I'm just going to pop them up about right here. I'm going to start on the first one. So let's say about right here, go up, and we're going to round this part off. This is going to continue up. one more branch here, going up, and say about right here, then round it off and bring it all the way back. Nice simple antler. So let's do the same thing on the other side, right here. So once again, to draw one, keep going, about right here, and one more. Bring it down, and back. There, so now we finally have a reindeer. Okay, so then for the body, let's come back and say maybe like the side of this part right here, the curve. Let's just give myself a point. And then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and then bring this curve down. And on this side, we're going to draw a curve for the neck a little bit and then pop it out for the body. So we're going to go right here, just kind of past the head a little bit. So then let's keep bringing this down, bring this down. So now that we have this kind of shape, we want to draw the body. Just imagine this oval. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and about right here, draw a curve for the body. And let's say about right here, I'm going to start the first front leg. So I'm going to bring this down with a curve right about here, right underneath. And let's thicken it up. So about right here. And connect. So then this is going to continue to about right here. Let's bring this down to about right there, and we want it about the same thickness as that. So say about right here and connect. And so then we have a back leg, so about right here. We're going to end it a little bit higher and in. And then this one in the front. And a little bit higher once again. And connect. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come in here. Bench. Curve all the way for the hooves. And of course we need a little tail, so right about here I'm just going to pop out this cute little tail, curve it out, maybe a little zigzag, and then bring it in. And because we want to make it a Christmas reindeer, let's come back here and I'm going to add some bells. So say about right here, just add a curve going across. We're going to pop this out and connect. So I'm going to have to do some erasing. I just wanted to show you if you wanted to add some bells. And so maybe we just add 3. Just put in these 3 circles. And a little dot and a line. To make it look like a bell. And of course I'm going to put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute reindeer. And then when you're coloring, you can put in some of these white spots. Just want to show you, and maybe some here on the head as well. But last thing I thought would be really cute, if you wanted, you could come right here and add maybe like an ornament. So it's going through, coming down right here, and I'm going to do some erasing. So we're just going to draw a very simple ornament. Let me make it a little bit bigger so it doesn't hit that line as much for the ear. And So that's super cute, right? Hopefully you think so. And then I'm going to come in here really quickly and erase this. So you can see a little bit better in here as well. So there, that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute reindeer to celebrate the holidays. I really hope you loved this drawing and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.